Hello, I'm Masaru. This time I introduce Japanese-style garlic spaghetti. Japanese people love pasta, and pasta recipes of foreign origin have developed uniquely in Japan. Today I make spaghetti with garlic and bacon, and it is very easy to make, so please try it at home. This channel introduces tips on how to make excellent Japanese home cooking. If you like this video, please click the high rating button and subscribe to my channel to encourage me to create future videos. I have written the details of ingredients and quantities in the outline section, so please check it out. Let's get started with the cooking. First, cut the garlic cloves. Remove the garlic sprouts, which tend to burn easily. Use the belly of the knife to crush the garlic to easily remove the garlic sprouts. Mince the garlic. Remove the seeds from the chilies and cut them into round slices. Next, cut the bacon. It's your preference, but cutting the bacon into thin strips will help it mix better with the pasta. The ingredients are now ready. Pour a lot of water into a pot and bring it to a boil. Add salt and bring to a boil, then cook the spaghetti. By shortening the boiling time by 1 minute, you can get spaghetti with just the right firmness. While the spaghetti is boiling, prepare the garlic sauce. Add olive oil to a frying pan and add the garlic. Slowly transfer the aroma and flavor of the garlic to the oil over low heat. Add the cut chili peppers. Do this slowly over low heat, as high heat will burn the garlic. When the garlic is fragrant, add the bacon. Lightly fry the bacon, and when the bacon begins to release its fat, add the consommé. Then add half a ladle of the spaghetti cooking water and dissolve the consommé. Using the spaghetti cooking water emulsifies the sauce, making it much more flavorful. Add salt and toss well with the cooking water and olive oil. Taste the sauce. Just enough to make it a little salty is good. Remove the pasta from the water 1 minute before it is ready to cook and drain. Quickly toss the spaghetti and sauce together while heating over medium heat. Finish by sprinkling with pepper and dry basil. Now let's put it on a plate. Japanese-style garlic pasta is ready. The scent of garlic and basil is very appetizing. Now, let's eat.